Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we've got something absolutely incredible lined up for you. We are going to explore the fascinating world of Earth's most intelligent birds. We're talking about nature's colorful geniuses. These are animals that literally challenge everything we thought we knew about the animal kingdom, totally blurring the boundaries between raw instinct and true cognitive brilliance.
Have you ever seen a bird that can talk like humans? Okay, let's dive into this because it's a question that has captivated us for centuries. You know the feeling, right? You walk past a bird and out of nowhere, it just greets you with a perfectly clear hello. It's startling. It instantly hooks you. But what is actually going on behind those bright, curious eyes when they talk to us? Are we just looking at a really impressive parlor trick, or is there a deep, unbelievable intelligence at work here?
Chapter 1. Meet the parrots, the most intelligent birds on Earth. The sheer scale of what we're looking at here is pretty staggering. When we say parrots, we're not just talking about a handful of birds. We are talking about an entire special family, scientifically known as Pisciformes. And the diversity is absolutely immense. There are over 400 distinct species in this family. We're talking the brilliantly colored macaws you picture in the jungle, the magnificent crested cockatoos, and those incredibly sharp African gray parrots. Grasping this massive diversity is super important because it shows us that this high-level intelligence isn't just a random fluke in one single bird. No, it's spread across an entire, highly evolved family of over 400 species.
Chapter 2. The Parrot Mind. Puzzles, Emotions, and Language.
Okay, it's kind of hard to believe, but a parrot's intelligence often directly rivals that of a 3 to 5-year-old human child. Just think about what a preschooler can do for a second. They don't just react to things, they actually think. Well, parrots share that same remarkable ability to solve puzzles. They can recognize distinct objects, and incredibly, they can even understand complex emotions. They aren't just flying around mindlessly looking for food. They are actively processing the world, solving problems, and feeling things on a level that's literally comparable to a young human.
They don't just copy, they understand. This right here is the absolute core of what makes them so famous. Sure, parrots are known for their talking ability, we all know that. But the crucial distinction is that they do not simply mimic sounds like a little feathered tape recorder. Especially with species like the African gray, they actually learn the meanings of the words they are saying. They have the capacity to use words in the exact proper context. If they say a word related to food, it's usually because they are genuinely requesting it. They completely understand the connection between the human sound they make and the physical outcome they get. It's wild.
Chapter 3. Life in the Wild. Jungles and Canopies. So, where exactly does a brain like that evolve? Well, these birds are mostly found in tropical and subtropical regions, like dense rainforests. And up there in those rich canopies, they consume this incredible brain-boosting diet of fruits, seeds, nuts, and insects. Because think about it, it takes a massive amount of fuel to run a brain that works like a 5-year-old's. Foraging for these specific foods all across the canopy is exactly what keeps their sharp minds and bodies so incredibly active and healthy. Basically, their environment provides a complex diet that literally feeds their genius. Chapter 4. A Lifelong Companion. Decades of Friendship. 80. Just let that number hang there for a second. Did you know that some parrots can live anywhere from 50 to 80 years? So the really crucial takeaway here is that this isn't a pet you simply keep for a few years. An 80-year lifespan means that these brilliantly smart, emotionally capable creatures truly become lifelong companions. They live through literal decades of friendship. They grow right alongside their human caregivers, sharing an absolute lifetime of experiences, conversations, and really deep emotional bonds.
Chapter 5. Protecting Nature's Geniuses. An urgent reality check.
Unfortunately, these incredible birds are in serious danger from two main threats. First up, deforestation and habitat loss. Those lush tropical and subtropical rainforests that provide their shelter and that essential brain-boosting diet, they're disappearing. And second, the illegal pet trade. Because of their amazing intelligence, their beautiful colors, and of course their ability to talk, they are heavily targeted. It's a tough reality, but these two human-driven factors are directly putting these 400-plus species at immense risk.
Let's protect these beautiful birds so their colors and voices never disappear. Honestly, the idea of losing creatures that have the minds of human children and lifetimes that span almost a century, it's just devastating. It's my hope that by really understanding the sheer genius operating behind those colorful feathers, we can all walk away today wanting to protect this incredible wildlife. After all, if they have the capacity to understand us so clearly, isn't it time we finally understood how much they need our protection?